Imagine wearing a device so small, so silent that no one can see it, but it knows your heartbeat, your sleep, your stress, your emotions, and even when you're about to fall sick, before you feel anything. This is not science fiction. This is Apple Ring 2026, a device that doesn't sit on your wrist, doesn't light up your face, doesn't scream for attention. Yet it might become the most powerful wearable Apple has ever created. Not a watch, not glasses, not AirPods, a ring that can change how you live. Today, I will show you every leaked upgrade, every expected feature, and why Apple Ring 2026 could quietly replace your Apple Watch forever. For years, Apple has been working on invisible technology. Smaller, smarter, more personal. The world wanted wearables that feel natural, not heavy, that don't distract you but protect you. Apple saw this shift, and the Apple Ring was born. The 2026 version is not just an update, it is a complete evolution. This ring is designed to feel like jewelry, but function like a medical lab. Apple Ring 2026 is designed to feel like a natural part of your body. It is created with a futuristic, liquid metal alloy, combined with ceramic coating that makes it incredibly strong yet unbelievably light. When you wear it, it does not feel cold, heavy, or artificial. It feels warm, smooth, and perfectly balanced, as if it belongs on your finger. The ring is shaped to follow the natural curve of your hand. There are no sharp edges, no pressure points, and no uncomfortable thickness. You can wear it while typing, exercising, sleeping, showering, and even swimming, without ever feeling it get in the way of your life. Apple's goal is simple. The ring should never remind you that you are wearing technology. The inside of the ring uses skin-adaptive material that automatically adjusts to body temperature and moisture. This allows the sensors to stay perfectly aligned with your skin all day and night, giving accurate readings in every environment. Hot or cold, dry or humid, the ring adjusts to you. The outer surface is seamless, with no buttons, no screens, and no openings. This gives the ring its elegant, jewelry-like look while making it fully water-resistant and dust-proof. Apple is expected to offer the ring in premium finish such as silver, graphite, gold, and ceramic black, allowing it to match every style. Apple Ring 2026 is not just tracking your body, it is learning your body. Inside this tiny ring is a new generation of biosensors that measure your heart rhythm, blood oxygen, skin temperature, stress levels, and breathing patterns in real time. The ring creates a personal health profile for you. It learns what is normal for your body and notices when something changes. If your heart rhythm becomes irregular, if your oxygen drops, or if your stress rises, the ring gently alerts you through your iPhone. This is not fitness tracking. This is health awareness. Over time, the ring becomes smarter. It understands your lifestyle, your sleep patterns, and your daily habits. It does not judge you. It guides you. It helps you live better without forcing you to change. Sleep and recovery. When you sleep, Apple Ring 2026 works silently. It tracks your breathing, heart rate, oxygen, and movement while you rest. It knows when your body is in deep sleep, when you are dreaming, and when you are restless. In the morning, you do not just see how long you slept. You see how well your body recovered. The ring shows you how your body repaired itself, how your stress changed overnight, and whether you are ready for the day ahead. Stress and emotion detection. The Apple Ring 2026 can detect emotional stress through changes in your skin and heart rhythm. When your stress rises, your phone gently suggests breathing, movement, or rest. It becomes your quiet mental health companion, always watching, always protecting, always caring. A personal coach. The ring works with Apple's artificial intelligence to become your personal health assistant. It learns your routine and adapts to your life. It knows when you need rest and when you need movement. It helps you make small changes that lead to a healthier future. Gesture control. Apple Ring 2026 allows you to control your Apple devices using finger gestures. You can answer calls, adjust volume, scroll presentations, and control music with simple hand movements. Your finger becomes a remote control for your digital world. Battery and charging. The ring is designed to last up to 7 days on a single charge. It charges wirelessly in a small, elegant case. Just a few minutes of charging can power it for an entire day. Apple Ring 2026 is not just another piece of technology you wear on your body. It is a reflection of how the world is changing. People no longer want loud devices that demand attention. They want something that works silently in the background, something that protects them without disturbing their life. This ring represents a shift from showing technology to feeling technology. For years, we have been surrounded by screens, notifications, and distractions. We look at our phones hundreds of times a day, yet we rarely look at ourselves. We forget to notice how tired we are, how stressed we feel, and how our bodies are slowly asking for care. Apple Ring 2026 exists to change that. It does not flash. It does not vibrate constantly. It does not interrupt you. Instead, it gently guides you back to your own health. This ring is designed for people who want to live better without being controlled by technology. It understands that health is not about numbers on a screen. It is about balance, awareness, and small daily choices. Apple Ring 2026 does not force change. It inspires it. In a world where everyone is trying to look busy, this ring reminds you to slow down. In a world where people forget to rest, it teaches you when to pause. In a world where health is often ignored, Apple Ring 2026 quietly becomes your daily protector. This is why Apple Ring 2026 is more than a gadget. It is a companion for modern life. It is technology that listens, learns, and supports you without ever getting in your way. The future is not something we hold in our hands anymore. It is something that quietly holds us. Apple Ring 2026 is not here to impress you. It is here to protect you, understand you, and grow with you. One day, we will look back and realize that this tiny ring changed how we care about ourselves forever. Because the greatest technology is not the one that looks smart. It is the one that makes you live smarter. This is not the end of a video. This is the beginning of a new way to live. This is Apple Ring 2026.